हेलो फ्रेंड, आपका स्वागत है हमारे चैनल पर। सिग्नल एंड सिस्टम की जो हमने सीरीज स्टार्ट की थी ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस की, उसी को हम कंटिन्यू कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर। पहला क्वेश्चन है आपका, ए सैंपल स्पेस फॉर द एक्सपेरिमेंट इन विच 2 कॉइन्स आर टॉस्ड इज, तो इसका राइट आंसर है आपका 4। ए रैंडम वेरिएबल एज्यूमिंग एन इनफाइनाइट नंबर ऑफ वैल्यूज इज कॉल्ड कंटिन्यूअस रैंडम वेरिएबल। इफ ए कॉइन टॉस्ड one time the probability of occurrence of head 0.5. Next question. The measure of the chance of an uncertain event in the form of numerical figures is classified as probability. The probability of getting both ones for the experiment in which 2 dice are rolled 1 by 36. The probability without any conditions of occurrence of an event is considered as marginal probabilities. Next. The outcomes of an experiment are classified as events. The probability of getting both heads for the experiment in which 2 coins are tossed is 0.25. The number of favorable occurrences are divided by the total number of possible occurrences to calculate probabilities of events. ये आपका right answer है. Which of the following is not an IIR digital filter design method? So windowing is not an IIR digital filter design method. Windowing is a method of the FIR digital filter design. IIR filters are recursive. Next question, which is not true for a IIR filter? So delay is more than FIR filter. If the conversion technique is to be effective, then the HSP of S-plane should be mapped into inside unit circle. Next question. The probability of getting 6 for the experiment in which one dice is rolled 1 by 6. If in an experiment the A and B are the two events, then the occurrences of event A or B simultaneously is represented by A intersection B. Consider an event P. The non-occurrence of event B is represented by complement of B. Right answer आपका रहेगा. In a random experiment, all possible outcomes are called sample space. If in an experiment the A and B are two events, then the probabilities of event A is represented by P of A, probabilities of A. The conditional probabilities of two independent events Y and Z can be written as P Y upon Z. ये आपकी conditional independent events की probabilities है. The events such as equal chance of head and tail is an example of equally likely event. The way of getting information from measuring the observation whose outcomes occurrence in on chance is called random experiment. Next question. IIR stands for the infinite impulse response. The filter design which are formulated using Chebyshev approximating problem have pass and stop band. The response of IIR filter is infinite. Okay friend, तो कुछ क्वेश्चंस आप नेक्स्ट सीरीज में लेकर आएंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तो आप कंटिन्यू वॉच करते रहिए, सब्सक्राइब करिए, लाइक करिए, और कोई अगर आप फीडबैक देना चाहें, सजेशन देना चाहें तो कमेंट बॉक्स में जरूर कमेंट्स करिएगा। जय हिंद।